waiting. Oh. That was good. So, what do we have today? We have the Ducky 1-2 Mini. Got my Ducky 1-2 Mini, cherry with cherry MX blues, and I've got some 2 random keycaps, but we'll save these for later. Put this to the side. Here we go. I have been waiting for this. This looks so good. Dude, even the bag. Even the bag looks dope. Look at that. It's so long. Oh, dude, they even got like an embossed logo here. Super shiny. Like these are embossed too. Like some of these pieces got the like kind of engraved Ducky logo here. We got this. I got the cherry MX. Got the cherry MX blues. Got a white case. Look at this. I don't know if you can see the glare. It's like a. Anyways, the design looks pretty sick. Okay, let's open it. Oh. Oh, dude. Dude, that's so nice. Ooh. This is like a dust cover. It's got like the little, let me see it, there's a little Ducky thing here. Ducky, listen, it's really nice. Alright, to the good part here. Uh-oh. Whoa! Dude, this is so nice. This is so nice. I just want to check out these keycaps real quick. 1 second. Check out these keycaps real quick. So I got a it's not biomechanical keyboards. So what did I get? Let's see what I got. Got another control key. Let's see. A B key. Oh, that looks different. Look at that. I don't know if you can zoom in on that. Look, it's different. The font color is different. And I got a 1N. What is that? I believe I don't have that on this keyboard. Oh well. Let's put these over here. So we got like a mini user manual. Whoa. I am so tired from school. Got all these function keys. Take a look at that later. What is this over here? If I can get it out of the box. Warranty and confirmation. It's all in Chinese. I can't even read that. I'm Chinese and my Mandarin sucks. This oh, I don't think I'm supposed to open it like that. Well, anyways. I'll just put this back like that. Okay. So out of it we got a USB-C to USB cord for this. We got a keycap puller. That's pretty nice. Let's take a look at this keycap puller. This keycap puller is pretty nice. The Ducky logo, it's kind of matches with this. This is pretty cool. Then we also got some keycaps. Ooh, this is so sick. This is PBT backlit Year of the Pig spacebar, I believe. So nice. I'm gonna have to put that on later. And then I got some extra keycaps here. It comes with. I had a chance of getting, I think it was like between blue or red, and I got red. I don't mind. I kind of wanted the blue, but whatever. These are still pretty cool. Whee! Oh, come on. Whee! There we go. Let's put this over here for now. So we got a, what is that? Up arrow? Oh no. What is this? I'll figure it out later. I think it's like a Ducky escape key. We got a backspace, and don't I even have backspace? Oh, I have an enter key over here. I thought I already had a backspace. This apparently is an enter key. Uh oh. Another escape key maybe? It's pretty dope. And there's an actual escape key. Got some arrow keys. That's pretty cool. And then another white return key. It's pretty dope. Look at this thing. It's like I've inspected this keyboard. It's pretty, so nice. It's clicky. That's exactly how I want it. It's just like made of PVT keycaps, and I think these are backlit too. Super nice. It's kind of like outer shell. It's got like hard plastic. And let me just do a little quick test, like the wobble. It's not that wobbly. Okay, this one's kind of wobbly. Push it in all the way. It's kind of wobbly, but not too bad.
Hip hop is a way of life, a way of thinking.
Leave the mic here. Alright. So wrapping up this video, I just want to give some additional information about the keyboard. Well, as you know, the keycaps already are made of PBT, and they're also backlit. The keyboard itself, it is 4.25 width, 11.89 length, and about 1.57 in height. The keyboard weighs about 1.31 pounds.
You can also get your very own Ducky keyboard by heading over to mechanicalkeyboards.com. Please sponsor me. and typing in Ducky 1-2 Mini. I specifically got the white. It cost about $99 and it's currently on a pre-order. It comes in a variety of switches such as black, brown, blue, red, silver, and silent red, with an additional cost of $5. It also comes with a free bonus of a mechanical keyboard sticker. However, when I got it, they had options of a llama pin or a frozen llama sticker. Again, that's mechanicalkeyboards.com. And with that, bye.